This is to change a flat tire. Fine. So I got a flat tire while driving. What am I supposed to do? Did you look in the trunk? No, not in the trunk. In the trunk, you're going to have a flat tire that you have to unscrew. Like a spare. Now you take the spare out of the trunk. And it's not too big, it's rather small. Take it out of the trunk. And you'll have a toolkit. And you have to crank up the car so it'll rise. Take off all the nuts and then remove the tire. Set the tire off to the side and put the spare on. So, like, why do you make it sound so easy? Because it is easy. Why don't you do it yourself? Fine.